go. What's going on, people? It's your boy Jamal Dabney. I'm here with my partner, co-writer, and technical man, your boy Austin Vance. What's up, bro?
What's up? Welcome to DAB.
You already know, man. And today, we're dropping some gems. We're talking about the 3 things new creators should never do. And so, let's get into it. Before we start this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit those notifications. It really helps us out a lot.
Yeah, definitely.
Yo, for real. So, bam. The 3 things new creators should never do. Number 1.
Do not support creators that are way bigger than you.
No. Never do that.
Do not.
I'm gonna tell you why. 1, creators that are way bigger than you have too much on their plate. They're often aloof, they have their heads in the clouds, and honestly, they don't think that you have anything to contribute. They will often shoot down your ideas, and one of the things that's most deadly and detrimental to a new creator is your inspiration, your reason for being, your reason for doing what you do. And a lot of times, the people that you look up to, if they say your idea is garbage, it's trash, you know what, why are you even doing that? You know, I've in my experience, I've come across a lot of that. And it can be very, very, very destructive to a new creator. And a lot of times, that's nothing on you. That's a character flaw of them. And so a lot of guys that get up to that level, they lack in character. They lack in righteousness, and so that reflects when they, when their numbers, how big they are. Obviously they must be lacking in compensation or something else, so they use that to fuel themselves and fuel their ego. So you just got to beware of people like that. Number 2, they will not support you back. Unless you are a die-hard fan of this particular creator, any creator that is bigger than you and you were supporting them before you became a creator, do not support them, because they would not reciprocate. And you need to save your funds for stuff you need to do. Don't get caught up into what they're selling, because everybody has a pitch. You need to focus on your pitch. Focus on what you need to do to become the best you can be. And pretty soon, if you do what you gotta do, you will even supersede them, because you're doing what you need to do to get to where you need to do. You're going the right path. There's people out there that are doing, shooting you down and speaking negatively on what you got going on. Anybody that's in a higher position shouldn't even do that. So these guys are right wrong, not you. Stay on the right path, stay creating, and stay doing what you need to do, and you'll get to your destination sooner or later. The third,
just like not supporting people who are way bigger than you, you also don't want to support people who are smaller than you by quite a bit.
That's true. Okay, now people that are way smaller than you, that's an issue too. Now, juxtaposed to what we were previously just talking about, supporting bigger creators, everybody's trying to get somewhere, and you don't fault a smaller creator for trying to do that. But that, at the end of the day, that's got nothing to do with you and your journey. The reason why you don't support creators that are smaller than you is 3 reasons. 1, they often try to get you involved in big projects that, because a lot of these smaller creators have high hopes. They see themselves being somewhere, and they want to jump the gun, and they want to get as many people on their bandwagon as could possibly be. You don't have time for that. You have to do what you have to do. You have to spend your time creating. You don't have time to get wrapped up in other projects. Speaking from experience, there were some creators that were a little bit smaller than me when I was coming up, and they wanted me to get involved in creating some universe with them or a game with them, stuff that takes time to develop, months. That's time I have to do spending time on my own creation, man. So like I don't know what to tell you, but I'll good luck with what you do. You know what I mean? I wish you the best. Second, they can creators that are smaller than you can pester you or hound you to keep you intertwined with what they're doing. You gotta know how to dodge that. You gotta know how to avoid that at all costs. Simply because you don't want to seem like an asshole, but at the same time you want to just let people know where you stand. I would say the only way to probably avoid that is to just tell them you're not interested at this time, and just continue to let your content speak for itself, and hopefully they'll just become a fan of yours and start supporting you rather than trying to draw you away from your own creation. So yeah, we have them trying to get you involved in their projects. We have them pestering you. And the last point that I want to make about supporting creators that are smaller than you is that oftentimes they do not deliver on the products that they claim that they are going to provide. I don't know how many times I've tried to reach out to a smaller creator to try to fund their projects, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 months, a year goes by, I still haven't gotten what I ordered from them, man. So like this is crazy, man. So you always gotta watch out for that, and that can be the the snake bite when it comes to supporting creators that are smaller than you. Is the main thing is not getting what you pay for, because they can't provide or produce what they claim they can produce, because they're small creators. You know what I mean? It's not that we're coming against them. It's just that at that level that they can only do so much. You know what I mean? Like me at the level we're at, we're not trying to bite off more what we can chew. We just do what we can do.
Right.
So
one step at a time.
That's one step at a time. That's all you can do. And before we close, we have a 4th bonus step for all you new creators out there.
We couldn't just have a negative video. We had to throw in something positive in there for you guys.
Yeah.
So our 4th and final bonus step is a positive one. It's follow your own path. Don't let people gauge you in a specific way. Focus on what you want. If you have a good idea, don't let an idiot tell you it's a bad idea and forget about it.
Just like the great Stan Lee said, man. So, you know what time it is. Thanks for tuning in. We had a quick, short video for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And again, like, share, and subscribe, and hit those notifications.
Yeah.
And if you really enjoyed this video, help us to continue to create content like this, please consider joining our Patreon. Link to everything you need is in the description below. We'll see you in the next one. It's DAB.
DAB.